Hi friends! Welcome back to Uttara Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is our 150th video. Thanks for all the love and support you have shown us. Since today is a very special day, we have a very exciting and special recipe for you. This is a bonus video, meaning that in one video we have two recipes for you. Did you know that the University of Kansas set the world record for the world's largest plate of nachos on April 21st with 80-foot long, 2-foot wide, and 10-inch deep pile of chips, which broke the record by weighing in a nearly 5,000 pounds. Now that's crazy. I wonder how many chips, cheese, and protein they might have used. Okay, let's get started with this recipe. Heat a pan and saute chopped onions, garlic, jalapenos, and cilantro for 2 minutes. Now it's time to add in the seasoning. Cumin powder, salt, tomato paste, hot sauce. Cook until raw smell goes away. Add in cooked and drained black bean. Mix well and let it cook for 5 minutes for the flavors to blend. Remove and set it aside. Now it's time to make our black bean chili nachos. We have sweet corn, black bean chili, sour cream, Mexican cheese blend, freshly made guacamole, and homemade salsa. Don't forget to check out our guacamole and salsa video that pops up. Add tortilla chips to a plate. Top it with black bean chili, sweet corn, salsa, sour cream, guacamole, and a sprinkle of cheese. Okay, you can add as much as cheese as you want. There's no limit, but we're just gonna stop with a sprinkle of cheese. Top some freshly chopped jalapenos and lime wedges. Quick black bean chili nachos are ready in no time. Now it's time to make my favorite, cheesy nachos. Add tortilla chips to a plate. Top with a generous amount of Mexican cheese, melt cheese in oven. Remove from oven and add toppings according to your taste. Some topping ideas are black bean chili, sweet corn, guacamole, salsa, sour cream, fried jalapenos, and nothing can go wrong with some more cheese, so feel free to add some more cheese to your cheesy nachos. Enjoy this delicious nacho with family and friends during game nights. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them.
Muchas gracias para ver.
that means thank you so much for watching. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye bye!